Hello guys, so ang next ko naman na gagawin is yung pangalawa dun sa my love 15 address translations, and yung pangalawa na gagawin ko ngayon is dynamic network address translation. So dun sila una kong ginawa sa static net, nag-fix mapping ako dun. Ibig sabihin 1-to-1. Meron akong private IP and minodify ko yung configuration ng public IP. Dito sa may dynamic net, mag-aalaw ako ng multiple host from private IP address 192.168.1.0-24 network para magkaroon or para makapag-share into pool of 1.2.3.0-24 network to public IPs. So first step will be same as for this static NAT. So si PC1, PC2, and PC3 can't reach server 1. So pakita ko lang na hindi siya magpiping. Balikan ko na lang mamaya. So yun, for PC1, output is request timeout. PC2, ganun din. And PC3, ganun din. So ibig sabihin, hindi nila na-reach si server 1. Hindi nagka-cross over the internet. So we have to do this step number 2. We have to configure dynamic NAT on R1 to translate the 192.168.1.0-24 subnet into the address range 1.2.3.10 hanggang 1.2.3.20. So, pasok tayo kay R1 para makapag-configure tayo ng dynamic NAT. We have to enable this router. We have to include the inside interface, which is interface 300. Inside. As well as for the outside interface, the serial S030. So, dito kay dynamic NAT, kailangan natin mag-create ng ACL. So, si ACL kasi, i-identify niya si inside addresses na ita-translate natin. So, for doing the access list, we have to do access list 1 permit. We have to use permit to permit the private IP add 192.168.1.0/24 network. 192.168.1.0.0.0.255. So yan yung subnet mask because it is -24. Yan. So nagka-create na tayo ng access list. Ngayon naman, mag-create naman tayo ng NAT pool. So, dito sa NAT pool, dito niya kukunin yung mga public IPs that are available from the address range 1.2.3.10 to 1.2.3.20. So, IP NAT pool. So, yan. Binigyan tayo ng option na word and pool name. So, the pool name will be pool 1. So, pag nagko-command tayo dito is, we have to do the space bar Tapos, maglalagay tayo ng question mark para i-require nyo ulit tayo sa next natin na gagawin. So, tinatanong niya dito kung ano yung start IP address natin. So, we have the 1.2.3.10. And IP address is 1.2.3.20. Ayan. So, specify the network mask. And the network mask will be 255.255.255.0. Ayan. So, nag-create na tayo ng access list as well as the NAT pool. Ngayon naman, go na tayo makapag-configure ng NAT, dynamic NAT. So, you have to do the IP NAT inside source space followed by question mark. So, yan. Meron tayo ditong option na list and static. So, we have to choose the list. And list 1. Ayan. List 1 and name pool of global addresses. Name pool. Ano yung nilagay natin kanina? Pool 1. And exit tayo dito. Ayan. So, balik tayo kay PC1, PC2, and PC3. So, dahil nakapag-configure na tayo ng dynamic NAT, which is ito, yung IP NAT inside source list 1, kailangan ma-reach nyo na si server 1. So, dapat mag-cross na sila of the internet para magkaroon na ng may connection. Ayan guys, so as you can see, nag-ping na si PC1 kay server 1. Next naman natin is for PC2. Yan. And PC3. Yan. So, na-reach na din ni PC3 si server 1. So, ngayon, sabi ko kanina, dito sa may address range 1.2.3.10, 1.2.3.20 is, kung titignan mo or kung bibilangin ilang IP address ba, ilang public IP address ang available dito sa address range na to. So, we have 11. Pero in this case, parang hindi magpapakita ang 11. Why? Kasi, una is, tignan muna natin yung mga public IPs. Show IP translations. Ayan. So, nakapag-show IP na translations tayo dito. Meron tayo dito makikita inside global, inside local, outside local, and outside global. But for now, we have to focus from the inside global and inside local. So, sa inside global, ito yung mga address na na-translate natin galing kay 1.2.3.0-24 network. And kay inside local, ito naman yung mga original private IP address natin na galing kay 192.168.1.0-24 network. Sa topology natin, we have 3 active PC. So, ang madidetect niya lang dito is yung mga active na meron lang dito sa may mapping natin. So, yun. So, kapag i-clear naman natin yung IP na translation natin, we have to clear IP NAT translation followed by ito may asterisk to. Yan. So, ang dapat output dito is hindi na mapapakita yung nilagay natin dyan. Inside global, inside local, ganyan. So, yan. So, try ulit natin i-check. Mag-show ulit tayo kung magpapakita. So, ulitin ko pa. Yan. So guys, yun lang yung pagko-configure din sa My Dynamic